Madonna, why? Oh, you wanna? I see you coming and I don't wanna know your name. You, Madonna, I see you coming and you're gonna have to change the game.
Hi guys. So today is what's the date today? What's the date today?
I don't know. 5th.
No, 6th. I think today is the 6th of July. No, the 5th of July, yeah. Yesterday was 4th. Yeah, today is the 5th of... No, it's 6th. Sorry. Today is the 6th of July. And we are preparing for FF still. We are almost done. Just final touches and everything. So yeah, the tickets to the event are out. Just that we are waiting to close the bid. So today we are going to look for ticket outlets.
What the hell?
What's wrong with you? We've gotten a ticket outlet, IMAX, but they have so much regulations and stuff. So we just have to look for others. So we hope the other 3 options will say yes, because we can't sell tickets from the house. We can't sell tickets from the house or just randomly in town, you know. People need a specific place where they can get their tickets from. So yeah, we are going to TRM to finish up on some stuff, which is the events venue, and then we'll go to Simbisa, which is Pizza Inn's head office, and then we'll go to, where else are we going? Linton's head office, and then where else are we going? Subway's head office. So either of the 3 will be our ticket outlet. If not, we'll let you guys know, of course. So I hope today is going to be a good day. Yeah, there is sun today after a very long time of having no sun. I'm just so happy it's the day I'm getting out of the house, because I'm always indoors. Anyway, so I'll update you guys on everything. So let's go. So there's so much traffic. Imagine I've finished all this and a half packets of bag, and we've not arrived at TRM. Bad, like seriously, traffic is bad everywhere. We've stayed at from Taj Mall to where? From Feather to Feather again. If you stay around those areas, you seriously know how that road gets at that time. There's so much traffic. We've stayed for like an hour or so, and we thought we'd be in TRM like by 10:30, and now it's like 11 something. So I don't know who's to be blamed for this. Is this the Chinese for making the roads like that, or we can't say the government, because
You can say the government.
for contracting the Chinese
When you
guys
can't
to
tell
do
those
this.
Chinese that this place usually have matatu, so you have to
Yeah,
put a
there's
stage
so
over
many
there.
matatis over there, so there's no stage. So these guys just keep
Stopping on the
stopping
road.
anywhere, and they cause traffic.
And now since there's no stage, they just stop anywhere they feel like.
And let me
because
tell
there's
you,
no stage.
I love for those zebra crossing. Hey, we girls were suffering. You had to jump. What is this thing you call? Like, these rails, you have to jump them. Especially if you have like a skirt or a dress. It's so uncomfortable. But at least they've put a zebra crossing. Now they really need to check into now making less traffic. I don't know if that's the correct word.
Just
but
have to put stages on the stupid road. What's wrong?
they can't add stages. Is that even possible?
Yes.
Okay. Hello, Mr. Chinese. If you are watching this, can you please do us something? We are tired of being in traffic for so long. So we left TRM at around 12 something. So we were going to Simbisa. Hey, goodness, Simbisa, please, can you just come to the open? Show yourself. Stop hiding. Like nobody is robbing you. Please stop hiding.
Customers, you guys.
Stop hiding. It's in a hidden place. We've gotten lost like severally. Not my fault.
It's your fault.
No,
Miss.
no, I told you. I showed you the direction.
We would have turned, then we come and enter from here, and then we come up.
No. I don't like Google Maps. They're just so wrong.
Telling me, check map,
No,
check
no,
map. Oh, see, I'm checking.
It was like I was checking the whole time. It was just like Gay, like it's not even funny.
Telling me take a U-turn. We're on Mombasa Road. Madonna is telling me take a U-turn.
It
Will show me in this video. She's telling me take a U-turn. We're on the extreme left, on the third lane, and you're supposed to take a U-turn on the first lane. Now I'm like,
I
you want me
don't
to do what?
drive.
See, you're
I
supposed
don't
to know if you
drive,
want to take
and
a
I
U-turn,
don't
you go to
even
that
know
lane.
where exactly. I haven't even gone for driving. I don't even know how U-turns are supposed
Don't
to be
even use
taken.
vehicles
I just enjoy being carried because, yeah,
because you're
I'm just a passenger. Yes, I'm my own baby. Excuse me. Anyway, so it's just been a long day and it's heated up. It's so hot. We are still using Google Maps.
We're going to another place now.
Yeah, we are going to another place to check for ticket outlets. The Simbisa guys, they're not so
The offices are very
promising,
hidden.
and the offices are so hidden. Although we won't be using that place as the outlet, we'll be using either Pizza Inn in town and Wahmehandistad and in Thika Road Mall. So we are hoping, they've said the latest they can give us feedback is on Monday. So we hope by Monday they'll give us
Can you wrap up this video? I'm melting over here.
a reasonable
Melting.
Sawa, a reasonable answer. Okay, yes. Okay, so now we're going on we're going to
Liberty Eagle.
Liberty Eagles.
Subway guys.
Yeah, the subway headquarters, so we'll let you know how it goes. It's been a long day. I'm already sweating and it's not funny. Okay, bye. Guys, so we are at the village market, but we hit an oops. The office is not here, so we have
What
to
a
go.
waste.
Yeah, we've wasted a whole 1 hour and some minutes. So you have to go to Westland now.
Some minutes and fuel.
Yeah, and fuel and time and everything.
Actually, pack my coffee with that.
So there's so many people here. Vlogging feels so odd. Oh my god. And they're only white people. Oh, okay.
Nakumbuka hata vile tulikam.
I think. So yeah, we'll go to Westlands and see how it works. Bye. Hi guys, so I know this video is coming pretty late because the vlog I recorded on the 7th and today is like the 29th of July. We only have a few days to the event. So yeah, I have a lot of unfinished vlogs, so this is what I'll be doing. I'll be finishing them here in the studio because I probably ran out of memory or out of sight, or probably my phone died, so that's why I haven't managed to finish all the vlogs. But I just got one, I was like, I'm done. But I'll be finishing them here, so you'll get all the vlogs that are unfinished. So our event is in about 5 days right now, but by the time you'll be seeing this, it will be like 3 days. it's on Saturday. So yeah, I know I've said I'll inform you about the ticket outlet. Unfortunately, we didn't get the Sibisa guys did not contact us. It's sad. Subway guys, it was just another issue. We did not manage to go to their Westlands offices because it was late and everything. We were tired and everything. So when we went to their subway at where was that? Village Market. It was they just gave us stories. They gave us contacts. They gave us an email. We contacted the email. They started asking unnecessary questions that we had already answered to. So we just decided to not concern ourselves with them anymore. And then what else? So our tickets are apparently at a shop in town, Pioneer Building. Yeah. Shop 6 or 7, Kenyatta Avenue. It's just next I&M, next to I&M. So in case you're seeing this and you're still interested in getting the tickets, feel free to go and get them. Or rather, you can just contact me. I'll drop my contact details below the description box so you can get the tickets if
No,
you're still
don't drop your
interested.
contacts there.
My email address. Yeah. Why wouldn't I? Why?
I thought you were saying like phone number.
I could if you want my phone number. Follow me on Instagram and ask for my phone number. Anyway, so honestly speaking, I think event organizers in Kenya really struggle so much, especially fashion event organizers. Or maybe it's just us. I don't know. I don't know. It's been real. I won't even lie to you guys. Like, brands keep lying on how they'll sponsor your event. They ask you to share your proposal, you share it, and then
Call you for me.
there's a certain brand that has wasted us. We've gone for like uncountable meetings, we've sent uncountable emails, we've done everything, and then at the end of the day they tell us, oh, we'll get back to you, and guess what? They never did. And how many days to the event? 5 days to the event. And then some brands, yeah, you go to their offices, they tell you, you know what, yeah, we could do this, we could work with you, and then you've spoken very well, and then instead of giving you feedback ASAP, they tell you, we'll call you or we'll get back to you, and that's when they never get back to you. And then they tell you, drop me an email. You're already there. Why drop them an email and you're already there?
That some of them are telling us, send to us an email. We already sent the email before.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you're like, we sent the email and now we are here. So
what the hell? It's just crazy. I mean, if brands really want to be involved with a certain event or a certain anything, just tell them straight up, you know what, we'll be involved, or you know what, no, we can't be involved with this. Nivea were very honest with us, right?
yeah.
They told us at the moment they cannot be able to finance or sponsor our event in any way possible, and we took it lightly because they were straight up and they told us. We didn't have to struggle with them, and then they go MIA and you're like, eh, okay, what's happening? And then also another brand that was honest with us is Citizen TV. I had a friend, she told me that Citizen couldn't sponsor our event as per now because it has really invested in Viusasa. You guys know Viusasa. So I think I respect Citizen for that, for just telling us on your face, you know what, we can't sponsor you. Other than brands which are like, oh, you know what, we'll help your event, we'll advertise the event, we'll give you airtime, you'll come on our shows, you'll advertise the event, we'll give you free coverage, and you're like, oh yeah, so you're settled. Oh, so we're going to get more. You know, we weren't into marketing so much because we thought this certain company would be involved in marketing, so we're just like, marketing is not a big deal for now. And then some days to the event, they are not getting back to us, and our marketing wasn't as hard as last time. We hadn't gone as hard as last time. I feel like our marketing for our last event was higher than for this time because we were relying on this certain brand, but it let us down. So I just feel like brands, surely, if you don't want to be involved, just tell the people, because it's a struggle. Organizing an event is so stressful. Like, we are seriously just relieved that this is the last week we're struggling with everything. Yes, this is our 3rd edition. Yes, we've been through this so many times, but of course you're getting better. But again, it's still a struggle. Once a struggle, always a struggle. So as for our 4th edition, I hope we won't go through this again. If a brand wants to be involved, they're straight up with us. If not, they're straight up with us. And we also, this time, we'll go hard on our own advertisement.